This rule has public confidence, the public understand and appreciate why we're taking action. I think it's right at this stage that we do everything possible to protect the vulnerable. We want to have a simple message that everyone can understand and which commands public confidence. And the rule of 6 is clear. Indoors or outdoors, the maximum number that you can have at a social gathering is 6. Now, that allows families, of course, to meet, but it also ensures that we can all play our part in helping to defeat the virus. We've all, during the course of this summer, seen how there have been specific local outbreaks, and we've needed to take targeted action. As a result of taking that targeted action, there are places like Leicestershire, Luton, Kettering, where we did have strong local lockdowns, where we can now relax it. In the same way, we're taking appropriate measures now through the rule of 6 to make sure that we can limit the spread of the virus through social mixing, but at the same time we're making sure that children can go to school, that people can go to work in COVID-safe environments. And I think that's the right balance. Education and employment, they're the critical things, and we all exercise a degree of self-discipline and restraint when it comes to social life. Well, I'm naturally concerned with individual cases, and I've heard from a number, including from constituents, of people who haven't necessarily been able to get the test they want in the time they want. But that's why we're increasing the number of people who are being tested. More than 300,000 tests are available every day. We're testing more people than any other country in Europe, but we've got to do better. And that's one of the reasons why the Health Secretary and the Prime Minister are investing in increasing testing capacity. We've got new laboratories that are coming on stream in order to make sure that we can test people. But one of the other reasons why we're testing more, why there's more demand, has been the increase in the spread of the virus, which is why we also need to make sure that we've got these appropriate new measures on social mixing, the rule of 6. Well, we always need to improve the system. Again, we're testing more people in this country, in absolute and proportional terms, than our European neighbours. But it's also the case that we need to do more, and that's why the Prime Minister and the Health Secretary are investing additional money in making sure that we can have new labs and new capacity